Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
So, anyone absent today?
No.
Okay, so now we're talking about our material about Indonesian culture. So, what do you think about Indonesian culture? Okay, Sarah?
Indonesian culture is incredible, diverse, and rich, mainly varies influence from indigenous tradition, Hindu-Buddhist heritage, Islamic tradition, and more Christian Western influences. It's characterized by its vibrant arts, including batik, dance, or music like gamelan.
Where do you think gamelan come from?
Gamelan is a traditional ensemble music from Indonesia, particularly from the island of Java and Bali.
Okay, do you have a difference between Balinese culture and Japanese culture? Your opinion?
I think between Javanese culture and Balinese culture is there are five between, and the first is a religion, and the second is language, and the third is art and the dance, and number four is social hierarchy, and number five is history.
Okay. Okay, so I will give you a assignment that you will submit next meeting about identify culture in Indonesia, and after you make a video, okay, and submit on your social media. You get it? Okay. Any question? All good? Okay, if there is no question, we close our meeting today by permission. Please. Thank you.